Hello there, how you doing? Welcome back to How to Cook Great. If you haven't already, please click that button, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up and all that stuff. Okay, we're at the local supermarket here, Asian supermarket, picking up some wonderful stuff. Let's get to the wok and start cooking. Okay, so we're gonna do some broccoli and oyster sauce. It's really simple. Let's get our wok ready, nice and hot. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. You can be using any oil you want. I'm using corn oil. We're gonna add to that 4 cloves of garlic, which I've sliced, and about a cup of onion. In that goes, 3 minutes, keep it moving. Now we're gonna grab our broccoli. We're going to drop that in and we're simply going to stir fry it for about 3 minutes. We then add 1 cup of water and continue on this high heat for 2 minutes. Some black pepper. I'm not adding salt because of the soy and the oyster sauce that we're going to add. I find that salty enough. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Cook for 2 more minutes. Guess what? You've done it. Well done. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe and keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.